Jose!
Mike, how are you?
What's up, buddy? In Korea?
He's famous.
Yeah.
So I got the new mosquito net for him. Yay.
Cut. Okay. Discount to one dirham.
One dirham. They eat this fish a lot. This sardine.
So she followed me and then asked me to delete it.
Can I taste one drumstick?
Absolutely. It's all yours, man.
YouTube, Mochilero. What does it mean if their van's rocking?
We are Lucy and Mark, and this is our van Tubi. After traveling for 4 years in over 30 countries, we came to Morocco for a complete van makeover. Last time Lucy landed in Casablanca. Lucy! Look who's here!
I'm back.
And returned to full-time van life.
There's no break. No break, Lucy. No time for you. No chill time, nothing. Just you know, suck it
Right
up.
back to work.
Suck it up, buttercup. Just do it.
But we had to hit the road straight away because we had an important meetup we didn't want to miss.
I think that's 아닌가? 안녕하세요.
Is he here, really? Jose! What's up, buddy?
How was the trip?
Yeah, good.
진짜 반가워요.
Yeah, man.
진짜 반갑습니다. 네.
루시님. 키 엄청 크네요. 진짜 더.
Yeah. Yeah.
네, 우리 너무 작아 보여요.
That's a nice van, but our van's nicer. The guy who just came in, you probably don't know who he is, but in Korea,
He's famous.
yeah, before he was always a kind of world traveling YouTuber, but then once he started doing van life, he just kind of took off.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. We got the barbecue set up here. Got the meat inside. I'm gonna go get the vegetables ready. I'll give you the camera.
I got some new feature for Mark because he was dying in Morocco because it was so hot. So I got the new mosquito net for him. Yay. Do you like it?
I love it.
근데 진짜 저희도 영상으로만
혹시
보다가
안에 구경하세요. 정리는 안 돼 있는데 어차피 영원히 안 될 거니까. 네. 할 생각이 없어요, 저는.
진짜 크긴 크다. 한 사람 지내는 거.
이거 제가 중고차를 샀는데 원래 있던.
중고예요?
예.
중고인데 상태 너무
새 차
좋은데.
사서 이거 뜯는 거는 너무 부럽습니다. 이게 이제 담요, 캠핑 박스 쓰는 거. 이게 이제 올라가면 이 테이블 내리고 올라가면 이제 침대 같은
침대
거.
되는 거.
이게 이제 그 캠핑 용품 넣는데 넉넉해요. 샤워기
네,
있는데
외부.
바닷가에서 한 번씩.
맞다. 이건 저희 스티커인데요. 이게
감사합니다.
2018년도부터 2019년도에 있던 이유는 저희가 그때까지만 여행하려고 했는데
그러니까.
지금까지
안
여행하고
그래도 그
있어요.
이야기 궁금했어요. 이 18년도에 저랑 그 돌로미티에서 볼 뻔했잖아요.
네.
네. 지금이라도 봤으니까.
그쵸,
그래도
그쵸.
궁금한 게 많아요. 바로 있는데 이건 없어요.
이거 이탈리아에 샀어요. 괜찮더라고요, 퀄리티가.
아 좋다.
우리 너무 웃긴다, 근데.
잘 먹겠습니다.
네, 맛있게 드세요.
So in the terrace we had barbecue, and then our food has another small door. Last train north. 뭐라는 거야? 가라. 케이지 나이스 스타트.
What kind of coffee are you drinking?
Canoe,
I see.
Korean instant coffee.
Canoe from Korea.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Want omelette today and tomorrow.
Yeah.
Saturday and Sunday. It's good time for omelette.
Yeah, right.
But it's not working. The copyright problem.
That's an angry face right there.
있는데 로드 뷰야. 그걸 빼버리면 아무것도 없어.
Guys, I look fresh, huh? So I just took a shower. It was really nice. And right now we are gonna get ready to go outside because we are gonna see souk market, and then we're gonna go eat outside today with Jose because he said like he's gonna buy a dinner for us.
너 정도 저 정도 뭐랄까 대무시? 차리가 지금 왜 이러냐? 내 얼굴에
너무 좋아한가 보다.
모로코 아주 좋아요.
Right here. This is the we have the fruit markets and stuff. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah.
Guys, we are in Souk. So Mark, you used to
Yeah,
that, right?
I would come here all the time to buy like vegetables and fruits. The olives is really pretty, right?
완전 귀엽다 병아리.
깎았어.
What do you think?
Discount $1.
Sardines, they barbecue it.
아 이거 맛있겠다.
Okay, let's go. Careful with the bus. Korea.
It is really quite busy time. I mean, it's so interesting because they are selling the dessert. And I haven't been in Morocco for 2 months. I guess I forgot about the how vibrant
Yeah.
in Souk is really amazing.
What's your name?
My name is Reda.
Reda?
Reda.
Reda, nice to meet you, man.
Guys, Jose is buying a perfume. I think he fell in love with Morocco right now. Oh, really? How is it? Oh.
X-mix X with the alcohol.
Ah.
Alcohol.
I'm good. Mark's favorite one is like this fruit. So he was waiting for the season, so we are gonna buy one. Morocco has a really nice fruit and a vegetable, especially you buy in soup like this. Like really nice. So you can see the beautiful color. 옛날 디람이니까 13디람이야. 싸. 이 다른 과일에 비해서 약간 비싸게 치는 편이네. 아, 팝콘이다. 와우.
Traditional way.
Yeah. Marat.
내가 신카드를 비번을 잃어버려가지고 지워달라고.
Even that? That close?
네, 자기 얼굴이 찍히면 싫어하는 사람들 있어.
Yeah. In Morocco, there's some people, not a lot, but some people.
Too much, I guess,
Yeah.
because here is not for private place.
Yeah.
So if we are just filming in the street, it is illegal,
Yeah.
not the problem.
What happened, Lucy?
So I was taking a video towards me, but there's a kind of curtain that people don't like to be on the shot. So she followed me and then asked me to delete it. So we checked the footage with her, and she's like on the corner, and then I was moving fast, but she didn't like her close to be in our camera, so we delete the footage.
Yeah.
Wow, yellow rice. 커리밥인가 이게?
No, I think it's like a saffron rice.
Saffron.
Yeah.
사프란. 사프란.
This is really good.
Okay.
It's like an herb, but it's kind of spicy.
내 옆에 고양이 있어.
I see.
내 옆에서 밥 드신다. 맛있겠다.
What do you think?
이거 it looks
어때?
good. It
Looks
looks
good,
good.
huh?
Guys, looks nice. I'm really hungry. I'm ready for eating.
계속 배고프다면서 향수 사고 있고.
Can I taste one drumstick?
Absolutely, it's all yours, man. What do you think? You good?
연금 줘야 돼 걔네들. 달라.
그럼 실내
유튜브 모칠레로. 여기 앉을까?
여기?
아니면 저기 앉을까?
해도 되겠다.
See it in the dark. Yeah, it's pretty good, huh?
네,
That's not bad.
Yeah. 다 따로 나오네.
슈크란.
Yeah, like this.
Rolling
then-
like the wine.
Yeah.
bourbon
Cheers.
whiskey.
Berber whiskey.
Whiskey.
Yesterday beer, today's whiskey. 어우 뜨거. 뜨거.
Yeah, my sugar didn't melt at all. Oh, so bitter, right?
카메라 찍고 있는데. 냄새. 빵구 냄새. 굿모닝.
Morning.
내가 아침에 깨워버렸지.
No, I was awake.
거짓말하지 마. 왜?
No, I'm thinking whether I'm gonna be hot coffee or iced coffee.
아,
It's 25 degrees in here, so that means time for iced coffee.
그치. 할 수 없어. 우리 안 만들지 않았어?
Last
만들었나?
night I made.
아, 그래?
So actually, I don't need to boil water.
Ah, okay. That is a typical morning for the Vanlifers. Coffee is the most important thing. Iced coffee.
Luxury of having a freezer.
Jose is still sleeping, I think. Because Vanlifers, their door is closed. That means they're still sleeping, right?
What does it mean if their van's rocking?
It's pretty usable, right?
What?
빨래가방.
yeah. We should all. Hey.
Jose is a wake up. Mark is doing the
Yeah.
laundry.
Yeah.
Okay, today I'm gonna prepare 3 people's meal. But we only have this tiny fry pan, so hopefully I can do it. Her pan is pretty small, so I can cook only 1 croissant. 진짜 완전 작아. 귀염이야. Front is done. This is cheese croissant with egg. So yeah, it is ugly, but it'll be fine.
우리 마크도 유튜브 촬영 열심히 합니다. 우리 마크한테도 한번 물어보자. 가장 월스트 순간 한번 물어봐.
What was your worst moment?
Worst moment?
Yeah.
I would say for sure France when we got robbed.
Oh, 1,000 people's watching now.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
So that's
Hola.
why. Hola, hola.
같더라고. 그래서 거의 약간
샤워했나?
어?
샤워했나?
샤워했지.
떨린다.
머리 안 감고 몸이랑 세수.
그러니까.
Say goodbye. 큐빅 그룹. 바이바이.
야, 그래, 우리 거기 가서
Let's see
보자.
again in Agadir.
Yeah, man.
Somewhere.
We're gonna miss you so much.
Yeah, me too, me
볼
too.
거야.
It's a really nice time to meeting the like Vanlifer. I love it.
필요한 거 있으면 말해라, 우리 어차피.
Yeah, of course. 연락하자 계속. 해가지고 또 볼 거니까 어차피. 오케이, 바이바이. 아이고.
잘 챙겨 먹어라. 라면은 너무 먹지 말고.
그렇지. 엄마 같은데.
가는구나. 조심해서 운전하고.
Oh, I'm gonna get the gate for you. Here, hold this.
마크가 열어준대, 게이트. 캠핑장 오는데 거의? 아이고. 진짜 우리밖에 안 남았네. 조심해서 가라. 그 앞에 봐라, 앞에. 조심해서 가. 갔네.
Yeah, a bit sad, but
우리밖에 안 남았다, 이제.
Yeah. we'll see him soon.
그래, 아가들이 있을 거니까. 우리도 아가들이 잘 아니까 가서 보면 되지.
Yeah, right.
야. 육.